CVLIFE 2-point sling with length adjuster. Traditional sling with metal hook for outdoors. Black. Color, black. The 2-point sling is constructed with superior quality nylon material. Upgraded larger metal hooks make the sling fit the rifle well. The rope of the sling is adjustable, so it will be suitable for everyone. With adjustment thong loop and high-density cord, the sling can be easily adjusted. Long adjustable strap creates wide length variability for the 2-point sling. Specifications: material, durable nylon material. Strap width, 3.8 centimeters. Length of each elastic cord, 21-29 centimeters. Max length, 155 centimeters. Weight, 168 grams. Features: constructed with high-quality nylon material, this 2-point sling is durable and wearable. Equipped with the snap hooks, you can add or remove the sling easily and rapidly. Made up of the elastic cords and the thong loop length adjusters, CVLIFE 2-point sling is ready to impress you with its perfect design and superior quality. Package included: 1x 2-point sling, 2x 2-point sling, depending on your choice. Click the link to get this product today at the best price and read the real customer reviews.